Hello everybody.
Hi.
Welcome to
Wednesday. It's Thursday and it's cheese of the week.
It's Thursday and it's cheese of the week. And I think that when Yogi here lost 80 pounds, some of that may have come out of his brain.
No.
Anyway, so we went to Chester Market, which is in Chester, Connecticut, on a Sunday.
Irony of that.
And they have this little farm called the Silver Thistle Farm, and they make these adorable little pots of cream cheese and things, cheesy things, and this one is called Kickin It Up. That was not an invitation for you to kick me under the counter.
I'm sorry, that was an accident.
Okay, so Kickin It Up. If you've watched many of these, you'll know that I'm probably not going to like this. However, it is pasteurized goat milk, cultures, rennet salt, jalapenos, vinegar, and that's it. That's all I can tell you.
And this farm's people had not only cheese, but they had some cool meats like bacon and Braunschweiger sausage and all kinds of things like that too that they made from their farm. So
I'm going to avoid the big lumpy thing that looks like it might be, you know,
a happy jalapeno. I see a few lumpy green things, and I'm gonna take a few of them.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, oh.
Yeah, that's tasty. There's a little heat. Not too bad. It's very tart. And you okay? Are you surviving? So it's pretty tasty. I think this would be pretty awesome. Spread on some like Fox Hill buns for toast or something like that for a nice breakfast, especially if you're gonna have like some chorizo and eggs, or maybe like a keto version of a chili relleno, or just some scrambled eggs if you want spicy. I like the tartness behind it too. It's kind of nice. You okay?
Are you done?
Yeah, well, sort of, yeah. Did you need something to drink?
No.
Are you sure?
Well.
This cheese did not make you happy, did it?
No, but it didn't make me cry.
That is true.
And it didn't make me leave stage left.
That is true.
And it didn't make me drink vinegar.
We're going to have to try harder. I'll tell you, I will give you this. I'll bet you like this much better than the truffle cheese.
Oh yeah. Yeah. If there was a choice between the truffle cheese from a few weeks ago and that, every time.
Yeah.
I'd actually volunteer to eat it.
There we go.
And if you don't know what we're talking about, we'll link to the truffle cheese at the end.
So yeah, just so you know, we'll put this in the show notes. They left their address and their phone number. So if you guys are interested in maybe contacting Silver Thistle Farm LLC and seeing what kind of cheeses and meats and things that they offer and see if they have shipping, we will put it in the show notes down below. So check that out. All right.
That's
have
it.
a good one.
Your
This is a
cheese
quick
of the week. kicking it up.
It is kicking it up. It's pretty nice.
All right.
All right.
See ya.
See ya.